Welcome to the Changedom experience. Happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there. My name is Reginal. We're going to go through the steps I take to create a blue shirt with a black and white design. Alright, now that we showed you the design, now it's time to go ahead and make the design. I have to load in the black material first, again for the Dear Mama portion. So as you can see, what we're doing here is separating the color and the words. Within the words, Dear Mama, we're separating You Are Appreciated and Dear Mama. So we can go ahead and send it to the cutter. What I'm going to have to do is flip it horizontally, so that way when it's cut out, it goes onto the shirt readable. There we go. We're going to go ahead and send it. Now that it's cut, we're going to go ahead and unload our material. So now that we have the first cut out from the black, that's going to be the Dear Mama portion, we're going to go ahead and cut it from the material so we can go ahead and get it weeded out. So what we're going to do next is go ahead and get the white cut out. The most important part is going to be the part that's going to fill in for the Dear Mama section. And that part is that you are appreciated, the most important message here. So again, happy Mother's Day. Let's go ahead and get our white loaded in and our design cut out. So what we're going to do at this point is go back to the design portion. This is where we would create our design. So I'm going to move the Dear Mama portion out of the cutting box. Just so you can see it, I'm going to change the color of the letters for video purposes. I'm going to go ahead and flip this horizontally too so it can be placed on the shirt and read correctly. Again, it's just in black for video purposes, so don't get alarmed. Design calls for it to be in white, so that's what that is the color that we're going to be using to cut this You Are Appreciated out. Okay, so I do have the white already, the white material already loaded in. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and send it as is. Again, I do want to thank you for tuning into the Changedom experience. This is how I make t-shirts. Let me show you the design that we were talking about before. It's in black and white. It's the black Dear Mama design, all cut out. And then we have our You Are Appreciated piece cut out. It's going to go on this blue shirt. So first thing we're going to do is get the moisture out of the t-shirt, and then we're going to go ahead and put the black design on that says Dear Mama. We're going to go ahead and put the white design on that says You Are Appreciated. Well, we're going to use our heat protection sheet. Make sure we don't burn the shirt in between time. It's going to be pressed for 15 seconds to keep the moisture out, and we're going to go ahead and transfer the design via heat press. Alright. So now we have the moisture out of the shirt. We're going to go ahead and apply our Dear Mama. So first we're going to do 15 seconds on the black design. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Right. Check it out. So this is your mama portion. It's already on the shirt. Alright, let's go ahead and get the next portion on. This is our You Are Appreciated portion. Oh, help it cool off. Just gonna fan the shirt a little bit. I'm gonna do a second press. Make sure the design sticks. Tupac's 1995 Dear Mama song always resonates as a song that has me reminiscing of perfect love and sacrifice. Dear Mama, you are appreciated. Happy Mother's Day again to all the mamas.